What's going on, guys? So thank you guys for tuning in to another video with me, and welcome to the Marcus J. Jennings Sr. YouTube channel. So today we're going to be talking about the bank bonuses by Citi Bank. Now, Citi Bank is a bank that I'm familiar with. I actually grew up in the Chicago area, so everybody that grew up in the Chicago area at least knew about the Citi Bank that was on Stony Island, and I think it's still there. So that kind of was my introduction to the bank. I remember as a kid, my mom liked to bank there, as well as other people I knew as well. But let's go ahead and get straight into the video and let's look at the bonuses. All right, so getting straight into it, Citibank has bonuses that you can earn for $200, $500, $1,000, $1,500, and $2,000. So to own the bonus, you have to deposit at least $10,000 and meet a few other requirements. So the deposit and minimum balance requirements are steep, but the banks offer perks for keeping large deposits with it, such as access to wealth management advisors and financial guidance, waived everyday banking fees, and higher limits on ATM withdrawals. So right off the bat, you can see that in order to qualify for this bonus, you have to have at least $10,000, and the more that you're willing to deposit, and obviously you're going to have to keep this money in the bank for some time to get this bonus, which we'll kind of look at in just a minute. So for a lot of you, $10,000 may be hefty, but if you have money laying around that you don't want to spend, and you want to kind of make a little bit of extra off the side, there's nothing wrong with doing this. So as we scroll down, you can see that if you have $200, you'll earn $200. I'm sorry, if you deposit that $10,000 to $29,900 range. $500 you'll get if you deposit between $30,000 and that $74,900 range. And then everything else is self-explanatory. If you want to earn $2,000, you're going to have to deposit $300,000 or more. So if you open a Citibank checking account and deposit at least $10,000 into your account within 20 days, your balance in the checking account on the 20th day will determine your bonus. So you'll have to see what you'll get from the above what we just looked at to determine what tier you're going to be in. And obviously you're going to have to maintain this deposit for some time, and it looks like you must be maintaining it for an additional 60 consecutive days. So the funds must be new to Citibank. Your account must be open and in good standing to receive the bonus. All right, so you can simply open this bank account online. So a lot of you may think that you have to physically go into a location. And so for a person like me, I'm in Indianapolis. I don't think there's a Citibank anywhere around here. But for instance, let's say if I wanted to get a bonus, I deposit my money in. I know if I need access to the bank, whenever I go visit my family in Chicago, I can easily do that. So for me, it would benefit me. All right, so the expiration date on this promotion is going to be January the 9th, which you can see here, 2023. So a little after the new year, you have to make up your mind and decipher if this is something that you want to do or not. Also, so if you're going with the basic banking package, there's a $12 a month fee, which can be waived with a combined average of monthly balance of at least $1,500 in eligible linked accounts. Also, Citibank account package, you got to have, you're going to get $25 a month fee, but it can be waived with an average monthly balance of at least $10,000 in eligible linked accounts. The Citi priority package, $30 a month, which can be waived with an average monthly balance of at least $30,000 in eligible linked accounts. And then you have your Citi Gold package, so $0 a month with an average monthly balance of at least $200,000 in eligible linked accounts. So as you can see, the more capital you have, the more incentive it is for you with these banks. All right. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, do you think this bonus is sufficient for you? We know the average American probably wouldn't have $10,000 to just let sit, but let me know what you think. Do you think that you having $200,000 is worth a $2,000 return? How do you kind of see things shaping out with this, in your opinion? Now, as we look on the business checking side of things, they have a promotion where you can get up to $2,000 as well. Similar. So if you have to open a Citibank business checking account, but this one you have to do it, it looks like, in the branch. So within 30 days, you have to deposit $5,000 to earn $200. You have to deposit $15,000 to earn $500. You have to deposit $25,000 to earn $700. You have to deposit $50,000 to earn $1,000, and everything else is self-explanatory. If you want $2,000, your business will have to deposit $200,000, and it's going to have to be maintained for 60 days. So this balance has to be maintained for 60 days. So the bonus will be credited to your business checking account within 90 days from the end of the month in which you complete the requirements. Now, I know with these bonuses, sometimes you have to follow up and see what's going on. So again, guys, this is free money. You want to stay on top of things, keep your balance where they need to be for the terms that are listed here, and you'll get that bonus. I in my opinion, I feel like it's worth it in the sense that it's going to help you be disciplined without spending your money. And then at the end of, a few months or whatever the case may be, you'll be rewarded for letting your money sit there, and you're going to walk out with more money. I have for you guys today. Hopefully you got something out of this video, but I'm interested to know, do you feel like these bonuses are worth the time, effort, and your capital sitting in the banks for 60 or more days? What do you think about that? Would you prefer to let your money sit and get the bonus, or would you prefer to use that money as capital to put in the S&P 500, somewhere else in the stock market, or even just thinking about how interest rates and things are now with the real estate market? Would you prefer to put that investment on a down payment for an investment property, or would you just prefer to use that money to buy property cash? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I'll be more than willing to know what you guys think about this, because I find it interesting that all of the bonuses that are going around from these banks, and I know that has to do with what's going on with the economy right now, and so we'll talk about those things on another video. Well, again, thank you guys for being here with me, and I'm out.